Hey YouTube, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. I'm here with another crochet video. This video is going to be your nighttime routine for keeping up with the Kima Ocean Wave hair. This hair was also requested. And alright, so let's get into the video. So let me create that. What you should do, because I don't do it. I don't do it. I'm gonna be honest. I don't do it. But I should be, and I should be doing it. And so I'm gonna show you guys. Anyway, so you get ready to go to bed, right? And you want to put up all of this hair. Now it helps if you have an oversized bonnet. I have one somewhere. I don't know where it is, but that's okay. I'm still going to show you what you're supposed to be doing. So what I do is, or what you can do is kind of split your hair. It doesn't have to be down the middle. It can be wherever you want it to be. I just chose the middle, but you want to section it off. Now, honestly, the smaller the sections, the better the result. But I wouldn't do any smaller than like this much. I don't know if that helps. I wouldn't do more than that. But it just depends on how much time you have. Now, there's no way in the world I'm going to do that. I don't do it anyway, but even if I did, I'm not going to do it that small. But, you know, if you got the time, do it. But what I'm going to do is kind of like split them into 4. Basically from hairline to nape, ear to ear, basically. And I'm just going to get the hair, split it again. Ooh, got a tangle. And twist. Now, I'm not going to do like the twist out. I'm going to twist and twist, if that makes sense. I'm going to do more like the Havana twist, something like that. Not like a twist out. So I'm going to twist and twist. Okay? If you're a braider, then you know what I'm talking about. If not, just take your time. So, that's what I do. Twist and twist. Okay? And then I get to the end and I get a rubber band. Just a regular old rubber band. And tie the end off. Okay? And see, when you twist and twist, it locks it so it doesn't like come undone. So that's basically all you're going to do. Twist and twist. Twist, twist. Twist and twist. Sorry. Okay. Then do the back. Split that in half. And all this is this is gonna help with the curling pattern, with the curl pattern. And then also it's gonna help it to not tangle, you know, and frizz and all that stuff in the middle of the night while you sleep. So I'm doing this just to go over all the great things they always tell you. Always, cotton is the enemy. Cotton will dry your hair, whether it's your natural hair, your weave hair, your whatever, your wig, whatever. It's going to dry it out because, I mean, that's what cotton's supposed to do. So try to stay away from that. If you can sleep in a satin or a silk bonnet and or a cotton or a satin pillowcase. You want to try to do that. Again, I don't do that, but that's because I do my own hair. Now, if I was paying somebody to do this, and I want to get all the money I can out of my hair, then I probably would be following my direction. That's what I be doing. Or following my my own warnings. So anyway. So that's it on that part. That's it. Put in the four, just, you know, walk around looking like Raggedy Ann. Then you want a scarf. Okay. And fold the scarf how you want, just as long as it's gonna fit around your head. Okay. I'm sorry I'm blurring up, you guys. I had to use this side of the camera because I need to be able to see, and I'm not in a space. I'm in front of my backdrop, so I don't have a mirror. So had to do it this way, and my focus is just not good on this side. Anyway, so lost the earring. Well, that usually won't happen because you won't be in earrings when you go to bed. Anyway, so you're going to tie it, and it could be a smaller scarf than this. It doesn't have to be, you know, this big. And honestly, I can fold this up more, because what you want to do, you want to make sure that you're getting the edges. That's all you're doing. You're protecting this part with the scarf. That's it. That you're not rubbing. And the bonnet is not rubbing. So tie it. Just make sure it's not rubbing up against anything. See, that's secure, you know? And then after that, you would put on my non-existent bonnet, basically. You'll just put this up and put your bonnet on top of it. You know, after that, that's all you do. You just go sleep. That's it. Just go to sleep. And then when you wake up in the morning, you know, let me show you that. Hold on. When you wake up in the morning, of course, you take your bonnet off. You'll take this thing off. Free. Whew. See, that took me out. I had it on 5 minutes and I was over it. And these I don't usually pull. If I keep them on at night, I usually just pop them, but you know, whatever. Get those off. Ouch. And I touched on this in my previous video that I just recorded. It should be up before I post this one. The refresh video. Not only did I touch on the refresh of like once a week, if you're not maintaining it through the week and you just want to refresh once a week, I did that. And then I also at the end of the video talked about refreshing it every day so that you don't have to do the big refresh, you know, like, but every couple weeks or so. So untwist it. Untwist the hair. And then what I have in here is olive oil and water. So shake that up because of course it separates. I saturate especially the back, like the nape area, because that's what gets, like, that's what touches the cotton, you know, your clothes and stuff the most. So I'm gonna go through here. My hair is gonna be oily because I already did this, but whatever. Okay. And then you just want to make sure you don't have any tangles, which you shouldn't. But you'll just go through. Oh, see, got one I missed earlier. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments or inbox me. Visit our Facebook group, We Love Hair. And also please follow me on social media, Shay Love Hair on Instagram. And thank you guys for all your love and support. Peace and blessings.